Second part, that is 2 upon 5 multiply minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 multiply 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 multiply 2 upon 5. So if you carefully observe this example, so in the first part that is, and last part something is similar. So that is 2 upon 5. So both the part we write together. So here we can write 2 upon 5 multiply minus 3 upon 7. Now write last part. So 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. Now remaining part, that is minus 1 upon 6 into 3 by 2. So we write that minus 1 upon 6 into 3 by 2. Here we are change the order. Okay. Last part we will write second. Okay. So here we are changing the order. So in changing the order means we can, which property we use in change the order, that is commutative property. So commutative property we are using, so we write commutative property. And what is the commutative property? A plus B equal to B plus A. Here we can change the order. So similar here, last part we write second, change the order. So that is the commutative property. Now here 2 upon 5 and here also 2 upon 5 similar, so we take outside. Okay, in the here what is remaining? Minus 3 upon 7. Okay, and here 2 upon 5 we already take the common, so remaining part is 1 upon 14. Now last part we write, now we can multiply. So 3 ones are 3, so 6 twos are 12. Now here we take 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14. So which property here we are using? A into bracket B plus C. So that is the distributive property. And what is the distributive property? That is A into bracket B plus C, that is A into B plus A into C. So from here we take A as a common, so remaining is B plus C. Similarly here we take the 2 upon 5, take the common, so remaining, that is minus 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14. So 2 upon 5, now whatever in the bracket number, so we simplify. So 14 3s are 42, cross multiplication, then 7 1s are 7. Now 14 7s are 98. Now last part we write as it is, minus 3 upon 12. Now 2 upon 5 multiply. Now minus 42 plus 7. So minus plus minus. So 42 minus 7, what we get? 35. Okay, bigger number is 42. So we put the sign of bigger number. So minus 35 and denominator is 98. Last part is minus 3 upon 12. Okay, now we cancel out the common factor if it is. So here we cancel out because multiplication sign. So 5 7s are 35. Okay, and here we cancel out the common factor. So 2 4s are 8, 1 remaining 18, 2 9s are 18. So by using 2 we can cancel out the common factor, and here 3 4s are 12. Okay, whatever remaining, so we will write that. So here only minus 7 is remaining, so we write minus 7 and denominator is 49. So here minus sign, So put minus, numerator nothing, so we write 1 and denominator is 4. Now here you can see that cancel out the common factor, 7 7s are 49. So what is remaining? Here we write, so numerator only minus 1 and denominator 7 minus 1 upon 4. Now we simplify, cross multiplication, otherwise take the LCM and equal the denominator. So 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4, minus sign, 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. So minus 4 minus 7, so minus minus plus, so 4 plus 7, 11, but minus 11 because both numbers are minus upon 28. Okay, so here we get the answer minus 11 upon 28 by using property.